Good morning, it's Jo from E&S Computers. Today we have in an Epson XP-255, and as you can see we have these lights here flashing back and forth, which means it needs a new one of these. So we're going to go and take it over to the workbench and we're going to get it all changed over. So see you shortly. So here we are over at the workbench, and this is obviously the rear of the printer. So we are going to replace the ink pad. Now, as you can see, you've got one screw here. So let's get that undone. That over there. So under here now, down we have, you can see the ink pad comes out. So there we have the ink pad there. You can get it on the camera. So we've removed that one, and we're going to put in the new one. So as you can see, that's nice and clean and empty. So I'm going to put it in, slide it across, and I'm going to screw this back in. Again, tell it's a new part, getting the screw in. So that's all done. So now we're going to take it back over, plug it up, and job done. We will have to reset the counter, but that's some software that we use specifically. So that's that done. Let's take it back over to the other workbench and plug it in. So welcome back. I've reset the counter using our software. And now, as you can see over here, the lights are no longer flashing back and forth. So ink pad replaced and job's done. So we'll call the customer and they can come and collect. So if you'd like to subscribe to our videos, hit like, any comments would be brilliant. And we'll see you again soon on the next video. Bye for now.